Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench, where we help homeowners maintain and improve their homes. If you're a homeowner, consider subscribing to our channel, and we'll provide ideas, projects, and products to help maintain and improve your home. Today I would like to talk about my favorite way to bring new life to old and discolored grout. Bathroom floors, shower stalls, and kitchen backsplashes are all heavy traffic areas that are prone to staining, discoloration, and grout becoming worn out. Most homeowners try to resolve worn out grout by cleaning alone. And no matter how hard you scrub and no matter how great the cleaner that you're using is, you will not be able to get those stains out of the grout. If you have ugly grout that you are trying to refresh, I'd like you to go to your local hardware store or tile shop and pick up some grout colorant. Grout colorant is going to be the key to bringing your worn out grout back to life. Most grout colorant can be applied with a foam brush or a rag. It's easy, it goes on like paint. We have put a couple of our favorite brands of grout colorant in the comments, and I'd love to hear how your grout colorant project went. So leave that in the comments as well. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.